Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Max Tag. First, unbox your device and locate the activation button. Press and hold it for 3 seconds until the indicator light flashes blue. Next, open the companion app on your smartphone and follow the on-screen prompts to pair your tag. Ensure your phone's Bluetooth is enabled for a seamless connection. This initial setup takes less than 2 minutes. Once paired, explore the advanced settings within the app. You can customize tracking intervals, choosing between 1 minute or 5-minute updates to conserve battery. Set up geofencing alerts for up to 10 distinct zones, receiving notifications when your tag enters or exits these areas. Integrate with smart home systems for automated actions, like turning on lights when your tag is detected nearby. Encountering issues. If your tag isn't connecting, try resetting it by holding the button for 10 seconds. For optimal battery life, which typically lasts up to 6 months, avoid extreme temperatures. Clean your Max Tag with a soft, dry cloth. Never use harsh chemicals. Store it in a cool, dry place when not in use to maintain its durability and performance over many years. To maximize your Max Tag's potential, regularly check for firmware updates within the app to access new features and improvements. Consider using the multi-tag feature for tracking up to 5 items simultaneously, each with unique settings. Always secure your tag properly to prevent loss, perhaps using the included adhesive or a sturdy loop. These practices ensure a reliable and efficient tracking experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.